Where did all my money go? What did I buy last month? It seems like as soon as I get some money, it is already gone. You need to stop living like this and start using a budget. But even more important than all of this, once you get a hold of your financial situation, you will be able to start building true wealth for yourself. So sit back and let me help you to help yourself. Yes, I know that was a mouthful. To stay on top of all your personal and company expenditures, it is essential to continuously plan and update your budget. While making a traditional budget, you tend to use the previous budget along with some tweaks. For many people, this might not be a very effective technique for creating a budget. A zero-based budgeting method is an excellent method of budgeting that encourages you to account for every single penny of your monthly income. However, that certainly doesn't mean blowing all of it away on a massive shopping spree. The primary idea behind a zero-based budget is to give every dollar some sense of purpose. Keep watching to learn all about zero-based budgeting. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting, also sometimes referred to as the zero-sum budget, is a budgeting method in which you need to justify your expenses for each new period. The zero-based budgeting process starts from a zero base at the beginning of every month. Every time a new month starts, this budget will start from zero, which signifies that no balances or expenses from the former period will be carried over to the next month. A new budget will be created based on what is required for the upcoming month, regardless of whether the budget is lower or higher than last month. This type of budget requires you to justify your expenses only for the given period in question. When you are under budget in a specific category by month's end, just add the remaining amount to the upcoming month's budget. Shift it to a separate category, like your emergency fund, or better yet, invest it. Zero-based budgeting example. Let's suppose you make $3,000 each month. A zero-based budget might appear something like this. Monthly income, $3,000. Rent, $1,000. Groceries and dining, $500. Utilities, $300. Insurance, $100. Gas for your vehicle, $200. Emergency fund, $200. Entertainment, $200. Retirement, clothing, and other, $500. Total remaining, $0. By the end of the month, you'll be left with a total amount of $0. This method enables you to allocate all of your expenses, debt payments, and savings. The main goal is that your total income minus expenses must equal zero once the current month ends. How to start a zero-based budget. Before implementing the zero-based budgeting method, here are some essential steps to ensure you plan your budget and spend realistically. Number 1. Know your income. Make sure you add up all your monthly income sources to determine the total amount of money you have to work with before creating your budget. 2. Track your expenses for several months. Knowing what amount of money you usually spend and the things you spend money on establishes a framework that you can use to move forward. You can detect some areas where you can cut back your expenses and which categories you can allocate more. It is crucial to identify your expenses and priorities. This includes your wants, needs, emergency funds, debts, and other savings plans. Suppose you want to take a vacation. In this case, you need to create a separate category under the name Vacation Funds and allocate a certain amount to it. If you are saving up for a new car, this calls for another category. This is the fundamental idea behind making a zero-based budget. Though zero-based budgets can be helpful to many, they are not ideal in every situation. Here are the pros and cons of zero-based budgeting to help you decide better where it can be used. Pros of zero-based budgeting. It makes you more aware of your monthly income and expenses and identifies areas of wasted funds and inefficient spending. It helps you plan for upcoming events like holidays, vacations, saving plans, and the like. It is most useful for people who don't have control over their spending. The system can be customized, making it incredibly helpful if you are new to managing your income and expenses. Cons of zero-based budgeting. Having an unpredictable income can make this budgeting method impossible to use. It is more time-consuming than other budgeting types. It requires constant and close monitoring on your spending. It could be detrimental to your long-term financial goals. There are pros and cons to all budgeting methods. There are many emergency expenses like car repairs or repairing your broken phone. If you don't consider these emergency expenses, the zero-based budget won't leave you with enough money. So please, if you choose to use the zero-based budget, you must add a line item called emergency fund. This method might also not be suitable for people with unpredictable or irregular means of income, such as hourly workers and freelancers. Regardless of all these things, the zero-based budgeting method will more than likely improve your financial life. We will be discussing the 50-30-20 budget in an upcoming video, so please make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.